Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we use path array in AutoCAD. So let's suppose this is the path and this is the object which we want to make the array. So to create it, you just have to click on this home button, and here in this modify group, you have to click on this small arrow in the third option, third row, and the second option that you will have is path array. Just after clicking, your command will be activated and it says to select the object. My circle is my object, and then press enter, and then you have to select the path. Just after selecting, your array will be done. Now according to your need, you can specify the number of columns and the number of rows. Let's suppose I want the number of rows here. It's currently only one row, and I want to insert some more rows. So I would just go here and insert number of rows here, 5, and you can increase or decrease the spacing between these. Like it's currently 694, then I would enter here 500 and enter. Similarly, from this arrow you can do the same settings, or from here. So this way you can use the path array, guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.